Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to report your REDMI 15C in lost/stolen database on IMEI.info page. Alright, so let's begin. First we need to type the IMEI number of our device in this bar, and now let's click on check IMEI. As you can see now our REDMI 15C appeared. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks. Now click Lost Device Add. As you can see, our IMEI number has been automatically copied. If you have a possibility, you can always type the second IMEI and the serial number. It is not necessary, but if you want, you can do it. Below we have the city where the incident happened. We need to type it. Now we need to type our contact mail. It will be necessary later. Now we need to type our phone number with the country code. Just like that. Now the price in US dollars as a reward, if someone will find it. Now the country. And now the description. We need to describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. I will type an example in a second and I'll show you how it should look like. Okay, so that's an example of the description. You can take a look. Remember that if it's a real situation, you should type as much details as it's possible, so it will be easier to find the device. Alright, below type your contact name and the incident date, and enter in the format that first you need to type the year, then the month, and in the end the day. Okay, below we have two agreements. Simply agree to them and click on report lost/stolen IMEI. Alright, our application requires verification, so we need to open up the mail. Okay, as you can see we have a message from IMEI.info. Now click on verify your request. Alright, our report has been verified and now it's in the database. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.